Language arises out of nature. Research in the field of molecular biology today extends all the way back to the origin of life. The unique geological and climatic conditions of this particular planet, Earth, made possible the carbon chemistry that produced a chain of molecules capable of storing information. Nucleic acid, DNA, was at some point selected as an eminently suitable storehouse of information about the structure of living organisms. Ever since then, every creature on the planet has evolved in faithful accordance with the pattern. The basic structures defined by DNA form, from the most primitive life forms to the most sophisticated human beings. The existence of every organism is controlled in minute detail by the pattern of nucleic acid. The language we use today appear to be extremely complicated, yet at the same time, any human being can acquire and freely use language. What is the linguistic equivalent of DNA? The fundamental pattern or structure of language that makes all these seemingly complex variants possible. Organisms of all levels, from the simplest to the most advanced, still exist on the Earth, like living fossils representing different stages along the path of evolution. But there are no human languages that represent different stages along the path of linguistic evolution. Even the language of the Bushman is complete, fully evolved tongue. Every form of language, whether it's baby talk or adult speech, is complete at its particular level. In his book, Chance and Necessity, the Nobel Prize-winning French biochemist Jacques Monod described language as a means of liberating consciousness, the blueprint written in the gene of DNA is scrupulously followed in the development of every individual organism. But human language developed entirely between human beings, i.e., between organisms. It was through the process of liberating consciousness that language evolved between individuals. That process includes both the liberation or drawing out of meaning, a spatial phenomenon through the signals of speech or other media, a temporal phenomenon as well as its converse, the integration of the temporal signals of speech or other media into a spatial image of meaning. The structure that made our human language possible was not consciously created by human beings. Phonologists did not invent the mutually distinguishable sound group of language. Grammarians did not invent the rules of sentence structure. The structure of language arises entirely out of nature.